Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 3 video for explaining the machine learning topic, but I'm not going to explain it very detailed. But if you want to get a free source to you to learn, I'll tell you where you can find that maybe in the last part video, but I'm just going to tell you something that I know about that about this topic. And if you want the detailed explanation video, I will tell you where you can find it. But in today's video I'm going to continue from the last part, the video we ended up. And I think in the last part video I show you how the supervised learning is work, and then now in today's video I'm going to show you how the unsupervised learning is work. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back and I searched some the name of the topic we want to learn today, and it is unsupervised machine learning. And as you can see here, Google give us some definition. And unsupervised learning is a machine learning framework that uses algorithms to learn patterns from unlabeled data without human supervision. And what I mean is label means something that doesn't give for some. I explained that, but I'll just explain it again. Label means when, for example, we have a bunch of photos of some animals, and if we got that picture of those animals, and if we say for each animal, if we say for dog, if we say dog, whatever, if we say that that the name of the photo will going to be label. And label means the things that we want to output. Or I hope you understand. If you don't, let me know. But that's basically unsupervised machine learning means learning data without labels data, without any label data. And you can see here some visualize data 2D. And if we have some data like this, and if you want to label, if you want to make unsupervised machine learning, we can just see how those parts are separated, and we can say the parts that come closer each other are all going to be in one label, in class 1. You can call it like that. And that's what you are going to do in unsupervised learning. Without we don't know this data, but when we compare this dot with this dot, they have some common, they have some equivalent value, and when compared to another one. So for that reason, we can take out this one to one classification, one class, but we don't know the class name, but we know those have some similar things. And then for this one too, and this one. This is for classification. I think this is for supervised learning, but this is what it looks like for unsupervised learning. You can make some circle. Okay. As you can see here, you can also find if you have some data like this. No, let's see if we got another data. Okay, here as you can see, without if you have, let's say, the goal for unsupervised learning algorithm is to find some common thing for each class and to classify them in one place for each. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I will going to make a good explanation video in the last part video, so be there. Okay, and then in our supervised learning we have many algorithms. Okay, let's see, we have clustering and dimensionality regression and association rule. And if you see some image, okay, as you can see, in clustering, I think it means classifying that label data without knowing. And regression, dimensionality regression, it means I think outputting an infinity output. We are going to have, I think, linear data. And association data meaning is I don't know about that, but this is the three types of unsupervised learning algorithms. And this is all I got for you in today's video, and I hope I see you in the next part video. And in the next part video I also going to show you how the reinforcement learning is work. I'm not going to get deep onto them, but if you see some example here, let's say we don't, for unsupervised learning, let's say we don't know the photo name, but when we train it, it will automatically know which part it is. It will going to classify this picture to be in some class, and this picture into some class, and this picture to be in class, if we got a good model. And that's all we did in supervised learning. And I hope that makes sense, and I hope I see you in the next part video. I hope see you there. Goodbye.